what I wanted to emphasize to you is that you start off with a view for the start of the series. You form a view about how the market is expected to go, and then okay, you try to track it on a weekly and a daily basis. And having a process, okay, to understand this is what is critical for you, and whether okay you're following a rock solid process to understand the information the market is giving you, whether the kind of information the market is giving you, and your process okay should be complete to pick up not just up moves in the market. A lot of people are very good at picking up up moves in the market, but the process okay should be robust enough to tell you okay that the market is no longer wanting to move up, it is now wanting to move down, and it is also should be robust enough to tell you that the market is now good okay to go sideways as well, right? So there are three things okay which are possible in the market at all times, and you got to be having a process okay which identifies all three of those, right? Just having a process and forming a habit okay with the process is something okay which is critical for all of us as traders.